Hey, what's up everyone? Game Dad here, and I'm coming at you with another unboxing, this time taking a look at the other laser that came in the giant bundle of laser stuff that I got. And that laser is the Xtool F1. Now this is not the Xtool F1 Ultra, which is the brand new one that has come out, but this is the original one, which is a little bit smaller, and it has a infrared and a blue light laser in it instead of having a fiber laser. And that's fine for my needs. I did not need the bigger one. Maybe down the road I will, but for now, this is the one that I wanted because it's also a lot more portable. But let's go ahead, dive in, and show you everything that is in the box. So as you can see, we got the box right here. That is the top of it. As you can see right here, we have Xtool F1 Ultra-Fast Infrared and Blue Light Galvo Laser. Now, let's look at this side. Not a whole heck of a lot. Let's look at this side. Also not a lot. Let's look at the back of it then. Here we go. So it has a 2-watt infrared laser and a 10-watt blue light laser. It can do up to 4,000 millimeters a second engraving speed, which is lightning fast. It is portable and handheld. You can actually take out a piece of the bottom plate. That way you can engrave pretty much anything. And for its engraving accuracy, it is 0.00199 millimeter engraving accuracy. That is very, very small. And then it supports over 300 types of materials. It gives you a graph outline preview of what you're going to engrave. And it works on tons of different devices. It'll work on mobile devices such as like an iPad or a tablet or iPhone or whatever you happen to have. It'll also work on computer, and it is laser leak proof. It has a nice little green shield on it to protect against the laser that's in it. Although I would highly recommend that you still wear safety goggles with it because you never know. And it's just better to be safe and wear those glasses. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. We got a nice little tear tab here. Excellent, that made life easy. And we're gonna open this box. What do we have in here? I've heard this thing is actually pretty lightweight as well. Wow, that is a thick boy manual right there. Look at this thing. That's a lot of pages, man. Multiple languages, thank goodness. I did not want to read, what is this, 100 pages. Looks pretty self-explanatory. Oh, it's a lot of different languages, so it's only a 9-page manual. All right, cool. I'll look at that later. What do we have here? We have a little cleaning cloth. I assume that this is going to be for probably wiping off the laser mirror or something like that, because this one, the Galvo laser, stays in one spot and uses a mirror to angle it wherever it needs to go. Now, let's go ahead and take off this top part. That is a big old piece of foam. And inside of here, we have boxes. Xtool box, and another Xtool box, and another Xtool box, and you guessed it, another Xtool box. And then we have the laser itself. Let's see here. Let's get this taken out, and let's get this box out of the way now, shall we? Now, they are not kidding when they advertise this as a portable laser. Look at this. I mean, it's got some weight to it. I would say this is probably in the 10-ish pound range. I'm not sure exactly how much it weighs, but go ahead and take that off of there. And there it is. This is the Xtool F1. Now it's got a lot of packing tape on it. It's got a bunch of instructions and safety stuff on the side. Tells you what the logo indicator does, tells you what the knob does, the framing button, like all kinds of different things. It's got, an emergency stop button on the side. Push that, shuts it off. You have your focus and start button. This actually moves the laser up and down. Then it's got some accessory ports down here. What's it got on the back? It's got a USB lockout key. It's got the vent. And I have, if you watch the other videos already, I have the Xtool AP2, the brand new filtration system. So that'll connect up to here. Got some power, some other little goodies there, and the on-off switch. So let's go ahead and get this opened up the rest of the way, shall we? So it looks like on the top here, we have some of that like fiber tape that you'll find on various cardboard boxes and stuff. So we'll go ahead and take that off. One on the other side as well. Get that one off. There we go. Ooh. Oh man, that is sticky tape. Do we got anything else on the back? Does not look like it, but we do have a little pull here on the side. So let me do that one. Let's see, do they got it on the other side as well? They do. Let's pull that one. Okay, Now, does this slide up now? Look at that. Fancy little safety shield and such. Then we got some stuff we can take out. Oh, that is just a block. Is there anything in this? Oh, there is. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We have our little center plate, and that just goes right down in the center of the bottom of this. That way it has a nice sealed up area, or you can take it out if you want to do other stuff. And looks like we have the little clamp to give yourself kind of a register of where to go. And that's it for that block. What's in this one? Nothing. What's inside of here? Ah, that looks like a lens cap to me. Let's see here. Pop that off, and I would bet money that's what that cleaning cloth is for, to clean that up. That's cool. So that's where all of those goodies are. Oh yeah, I can see the mirror in there and all the stuff that'll move around. So that's neat. We'll go like that, slide that down, and look at that. That's real fancy, ain't it? Slide that up. Let's see this. Take this little plate, put it in here, and that is how you can seal up the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and just place this little registration thing in here. I think it just screws into place. Yeah, there we go. Yep, screws into place there. So that's kind of nice. It gives you a dedicated spot if you're gonna batch file stuff. Instead of having to use jigs or anything like that, you can just put that thing in there, keep sliding all your stuff in the same spot, good to go. All right, now let's take a look at what these other boxes had in them. This one inside of here, oh, okay, so there's that. What's this? This is, oh, okay, this is the slats that things can sit on. That way you have, if you're doing any kind of cutouts, it will fall down in. And this is, looks like some materials right there. That's cool. Okay, let's see, what is in this box? Ah, this is, get that out of the way. This is the exhaust hose. So that'll connect to the back, and there is an adapter, I believe, for this to be able to connect this up to the actual AP2. So they had a couple of different size things, and I'm pretty sure the one will fit directly into this to attach it to the AP2. And then you get an extra lockout USB key, and apparently some, it looks like silicone grease. So that's that. What do we got on the next box? I'm assuming power cords. A brick. So there's a power brick for it. I bet this one has the power cord in it. Let's see. And there it is. Power cord, oh, and USB cable. So everything to get it connected. Awesome. That is a lot of little boxes. Now, I did get a bunch of accessories and other things to be able to go with these lasers. If you saw my unboxing of the Xtool P2S, I also showed a little bit of having the RA2 Pro in there. It's the rotary accessory. And then I actually got the extended accessory kit to go with that, so you can do things at angles. For this right here, for the F1, I got the actual like sliding tray thing. That way you can kind of batch longer items together. And there are a few other random accessories and things that I got from Xtool to kind of use these to their highest potential or their fullest potential. But I've been playing with the P2S. It's been friggin' awesome. And I am very excited to start using this and batch out some smaller form factor items that I don't necessarily need the P2S to be doing. I'll use that more for cutting and engraving large things, where with the F1, I'll be able to batch engrave smaller things. And I am very excited about this. This is gonna be awesome. And maybe I'll do a full review on this later on, I don't know. Wasn't really my intent with getting these, but I definitely wanted to do an unboxing and show all of you everything that comes in the packaging for all of these different lasers and tools. And I gotta say, Xtool is amazing at their packaging. I am very excited to dive in and start using all of this stuff. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see another recent unboxing video, then go ahead and check out this area right here. And as always, I'm Game Dad. I thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you later.